Hello and welcome back to KERN'S Customs. My name is Liz and today we're going to get back to our studio. So last time we did the desk, I have just a couple more additions for the desk area. And this time we're going to do this bookshelf because it always bothers me in videos because it's obviously in our background and it's in our background from our computer view as well. But I would like to say thank you. We met our current goal of 300 subscribers, so now we have a new goal of 500 subscribers. So if you like this video and you'd like to give it a thumbs up or subscribe, that would be awesome. And welcome to the family if you do. Alright, let's get started. Today's video is going to have some voiceover, so I hope everyone's okay with that. I apologize in advance for the camera work because, like our other video, we're moving around the studio a little bit, doing some organizing. So here I'm putting together a keyboard tray that I bought for my desk. My desk is just a top. It doesn't have any drawers or anything. But I did notice I kept moving my keyboard out of the way, so I got this little drawer that I could put on and off, and I could put it on a different desk if I wanted to. So we'll see how we like this, and I like that it's extra long. However, you can see that it took me extra long to figure out how to put the sliders on correctly. The information that came with this was not awesome, which unfortunately I feel like when I order things that I have to put together from the internet, they're made for kind of international use, so sometimes the directions that come with them are just pictures, which I understand the versatility of that, but it makes it so hard to put together. Has anybody else realized that? And then here you see me struggling a little bit because I live in an older house and my studio area is not very level, so it kept sliding out, so I just like stuck some paper underneath it to give it a little angle. So that's my fix for now. I actually had trouble with my chairs when I first started using this area too. I would like slide away from my desks, so I switched out the wheels on my chairs for just like stable areas or stable little discs where they like don't slide around as much anymore, but I can still move them easily on the hardwood, so that's nice. That's why I really like this L-shaped desk because I can just rotate it too. Here you can see me, I cleared out the top of my area a little bit, and then here I'm clearing out that shelf. So this shelf is in my background a lot and I use it to store a lot of things, so we're just figuring out what we want to do with it. I really like displaying some of my art supplies, and I got these cute bins from Target. One I got a long time ago, and then the pencil ones I got recently. Organizing a current project, a current baby blanket project that I'm doing some crocheted granny squares with. And I flipped around a lot of my books because I like that in backgrounds of other YouTubers' videos, so I like to have them in my studio and kind of stored, but I don't want them flipped around. And then I found some books that belong in my classroom that I've been looking for that I brought home when we were learning virtually, so I'm glad I found them. And of course I have Cubone that my awesome husband just got me for our anniversary because Cubone's my favorite, and he got me that little Yoshi egg lamp too. He's great and very supportive. And then here is a view of kind of where we're at. Much better than before. I've got some of my artwork in the background, some gifts of artwork in the background, cool camera case, and then some room to grow, which is awesome. One of the bins has stuff in it. One bin is pretty empty, and then you can see our desk is looking much better. I apologize for my camera work. We'll get better. We'll get a gimbal. If anybody has any gimbal suggestions for a small Canon power shot, let me know. Since we have some room to grow down here, I'm going to grab just some things that have always lived on the floor of my studio, some of my extra canvases and some larger arches paper, and we'll put that down here. We'll be using some of these canvases for some upcoming videos. If you have anything you want to see for painting, acrylic, let me know. And then this folder actually has some work from high school in it. And I have my whole high school portfolio as well. So if we could definitely make some videos of redoing some high school work, that would be pretty fun. Special picture because I was a president of a club. And then they just gave me extra ones. And I've had them in that folder ever since. Alright. So that's a nice little section for them. And the container next to it with all the letters on it is my color pencils. We'll check that out sometime. And then that bin is empty right now, but it fits in there pretty nice. And it's pretty cute. So that's what we've got going on now. Much better than before. And I've got my little Pokemon books out. This view needs some work still, but we'll tackle that when we tackle the easel area. But this view is much, much better. Thanks for watching and keep creating. Bye!